Have you ever felt scattered, pulled in a dozen directions at once, wondering why it's so hard to stay on track? You're not alone. In today's busy world, distractions are everywhere. The endless to-do lists, the buzzing notifications, the pressure to keep up. It's easy to lose focus, easy to feel discouraged, and easier still to doubt yourself. But here's the good news. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. What you need is a simple, steady plan. A plan to help you focus better, keep going when things get tough, and perhaps most importantly, believe in yourself. Let's begin with focus. Focus isn't about working harder or cramming more into your day. It's about working with clarity. It starts with asking yourself, what really matters right now? Instead of chasing 5 goals, pick 1. Instead of juggling 10 tasks, choose the next small action you can take. When you give your full attention to one meaningful thing, you create momentum, and momentum turns into progress. And when you get distracted, because you will, be gentle with yourself. Notice it, pause, and gently return your attention to the task at hand. Focus is a practice, not a perfect state. Now let's talk about perseverance, the art of keeping going when things get tough. Life will throw obstacles in your path. You'll face setbacks, frustration, even failure. But here's the truth. Setbacks are not the end of the story. They're part of the process. When things go wrong, take a breath. Step back. Remind yourself why you started and ask, what's the next right step I can take? It might be small, a phone call, a conversation, a single written line, a quiet decision to try again tomorrow. Resilience isn't about never falling. It's about learning to rise again and again. Finally, let's talk about belief, the foundation of self-mastery. Believing in yourself doesn't mean you have all the answers. It doesn't mean you never feel fear or doubt. It means you trust that you can learn, adapt, and grow. It means you speak to yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a close friend. It means you look in the mirror and say, I am enough as I am, and I am capable of more. Belief shapes action. When you believe you can improve, you open the door to change. So, here's the simple plan. Focus on what matters. Keep going, even when it's hard, and believe in yourself, especially on the days you feel like giving up, because every small step matters, every tiny victory adds up, and every time you choose to keep moving forward, you strengthen the most powerful skill of all, self-mastery. It's not about being perfect, it's about becoming just a little bit better every day. So take a breath, take your next small step, and remember, you've got this.